So children, surface areas and volumes. So first question, children. First question. So the areas of three adjacent faces of cuboid are, children, this is a cuboid, this is a cuboid. Okay. So front one area is X, side one area are Y, up and down areas are Z. Find the volume of the cuboid. Did you understand, children? Front one area is X, side one area is Y, area, and upper area is Z. What is the volume? Can anyone tell what is the volume of cuboid formula, children?
L into B into
L
H.
into
L into
B.
them into H.
L into B
B
into H. Squaring on both sides if you do, children, B square is equal to L square, B square, H square. Okay, children, B square is equal to L into B into B into H into H. B square is equal to, try to understand, children, B square is equal to, try to understand all of you, L into B is up and down, which is Z. Okay, L into B, this is L, this is B, B H. B and H are sides, sides is
Y.
Y, and L into H are front and back, that is X. So what is our formula, children? B square is equal to XYZ. B is
Root
equal
X.
to root of XYZ. What is XYZ? Area. L into B is area only, children. L into B, B into H is also area. No? L into H is also area, not children. So like that. So volume in terms of areas. Volume in terms of areas is root of X, Y, Z. Try to understand. The second question. If the areas of three adjacent faces are, if the areas of three adjacent faces are 8, 18, 25, find the volume. Same question, children. This is theoretical, this is numerical. V square is equal to X, Y, Z. V square is equal to 8 into 18 into 25. V is equal to under root of 8 into 18 into
18 into
25.
25.
V is equal to, children, 8 means we can write 4 into 2. 18 means we can write 9 into
9
2.
into 2.
25 we
5.
write as it
5
is.
into 5.
For 4, 2. For 2 twos, 2. For 9, 3. For 25, 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 60. 60 cc. 60 cc is the volume. Okay, children, same question. Children. These both are same questions. If areas are given, what is the volume formula for volume means V square is equal to X, Y, Z. If areas are given, formula for volume is V square is equal to X, Y, Z. Okay, children, next question. Find the number of planks of dimension with 4 into 5 into 2 can be stored in a big godown of 40 into 12 into 160. This is godown measurements. This is number of planks measurements. This is godown, this is planks. Volume of godown will have n number of planks. Volume of godown will have n number of planks. So n is equal to volume of godown by volume of planks. Okay, so 40 into 12 into 160 by volume of plank is 4 into 5 into 2. 4 tens are 2 6 are 5 32s are 6 to the 12, 6 3 the 18, 1920 planks. Please mute your audio, children. I'm getting disturbance. 1920 planks can be fixed, children. 1920 planks can be fixed. Fourth question. Three solid cubes of 4 are joined to form cuboid. Find its surface area. Three cubes of 4. Children, three cubes are joined together. Three cubes are joined together side to side. If side to side they are joined, length will become
12 centimeters.
12. If side to side they are joined, length will become 12, but breadth and height
Will
remains
remain
as
same.
4.
4.
If they are joined side to side, length will increase. If they are kept one back each other, breadth will change. If they are kept one above each other,
Height
height
will
will change.
change.
Height will change.
Again, I'm saying if they are kept side by side, length will change. If they are kept one above each other, height will change. If they are kept one back each other, breadth will change. So, what is the TSA of cuboid formula, children?
2 into LB
2
plus
into LB
BH
plus
plus
BH
HL.
plus HL.
Hey, what is it? Please mute your audio. 12 fours are 48. 4 fours are 16. 12 fours are 48. So 2 into 48 plus 48 is 96 plus 16. That is 2 into 112. That is 224 centimeter square is TSA of 3 cuboids which are joined together side to side. TSA of 3 cuboids which are joined side to side. I'll be asking questions here. Get ready. One by one you have to say children. Next. Volume of the cube is 3 root 3 a cube. Find the TSA. Okay. Find the TSA. Okay. Nandika, can you tell? Volume of the cube is 3 root 3 a cube. Find the TSA of cube.
A cube is equal to 3 root a cube.
A cube is equal to 3 root 3 a L cube. You will write L cube. Okay. L cube is equal to 3 root 3 a cube.
A cube. L is equal to
L cube is equal to this 3 if I take inside. This 3 if I take inside.
9, sir. Root 3.
9 into 3 a cube.
A cube.
L cube is equal to root 27 a cube.
27 a cube. L is equal to
Okay, come on. L cube is equal to 27 means see
9.
Asit.
yeah.
Sir,
27
3 cube we can write.
root 3 whole cube a cube.
3 whole
Try to
cube.
understand children. So root 27 means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Children, root 27 means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Try to understand. So cube cancel.
L is equal to root 3a.
L is equal to root 3a. Now what is the TSA of cube?
6L square.
6L square.
6 into root 3a whole square.
6 into root 3 whole square is 3.
3 into a square. 18a square.
18 square. So children, those who did not understand how to write the root 27 means with this we can write as root 3 into root 3 into root 3, which is nothing but root 3 whole cube. So cube, I cancel children like this way. Hope you are able to understand children. Please keep copying children. Don't waste the time children. Please keep copying. We'll discuss some more sums children, 15, 20 sums, and then we'll stop and we'll go to series. Please copy children. Next.
Sir, 3 cube is also equal to 27.
Lana?
3 cube is also equal to 27.
3 cube is 27. Yeah, who said no? 3 cube is 27. But root 3 into root 3 into root 3 is root 27. I didn't say no. Yes, 3 cube is also 27. But root 3 cube is root 27.
Okay, sir.
I want root 27. No? That's right. Okay, children, very good. If you have doubts, you should ask. Next question. Next question, children. Sixth one. Yeah. Sahiti, you tell. A hemispherical bowl has radius. A hemispherical bowl has radius 4.2 centimeters. Find the capacity of 30 bowls.
Okay, sir. Volume of
Hemisphere.
2 by 3 pi r cube or 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2
Into 30.
into 30, yes. 3 and 30 cancel. 7 and 6, yes, 0.6. 44 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 10.
So dash cc. How we convert cc to liters? Anyone? How we convert cc to liters? Anyone?
By 1000.
By
5,000. Do you want to convert or no need children? We will leave it children. Okay. Just convert into cc. You'll get the answer. cc to liters is 5,000. But you have to remember. Next, seventh question. Find the radius of largest sphere that can be carved out. Find the largest sphere that can be carved out of a cube. What shall you tell? Largest sphere. What shall is that? Find the radius of largest sphere. What shall is there?
Yes, sir.
Now the largest sphere in this will have radius how much? In this cube, largest sphere is this. If this is 7, this is also
7.
7. So radius will be
7.
No, diameter is 7.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Radius is
7 by
right?
2.
Now volume of the sphere. Formula of sphere.
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Very good. Keep saying.
4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2.
This cancel. This cancel. So 2 11s are 11 into 49 by 3 children. You keep solving, you get the answer. Thank you. Next, 8th question. Again, find the edge of the cube whose volume is 2744. Satya, volume of cube is 2744. What is the edge of the cube? Satya, Hasit, volume of cube is L cube 2744. 2744 is whose cube, children? Can anyone say? 2744 is whose cube? It will be between 10 and 20 compulsory, because 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000. So between 10 and 20, whose cube will be 2744? Can anyone tell? 2 does not end with 4.
14, sir.
14.
14, yeah, 14 only ends with 4. So 14 only ends with 4. So answer is 14 centimeters is edge of this cube. 14 centimeters is the edge of this cube. Next, Neeraj. So there is a
Yes, sir.
there is a cube of 20 centimeters. There is a cube of 20 centimeters. There is a cube. In a cube, what is the longest rod we can keep? Do you know? Do you have idea? In a cube, what is the longest rod? In a cube, the longest rod where we can keep? Longest
Diagonals.
Diagonals.
from this diagonal to this diagonal. Diagonal of cube formula?
Root 2.
Root 3.
Root 3 also.
Diagonal. So children, in a room, from that corner to this corner, diagonal of a cube is root 3L. Diagonal of cuboid is?
Under root of L square plus B square plus H square.
Remember children, diagonal of cube is root 3L. Diagonal of cuboid is root of L square plus B square L square. Since this is a cube, we'll use this formula. So diagonally, you can keep the longest rod. Root 3 into 20. 20 root 3 centimeters is the longest rod. Meters is the longest rod we can keep in this cube or cuboid. Whatever cube. Okay, children, next 10th question. Find the length of the longest same that one. Find the area of the cardboard required to make 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. I want to make a cuboid of this much, this dimensions. What is the cardboard needed? TSA na CSA na?
TSA.
TSA formula?
2
into LB plus BH plus HL.
H.
Yeah, Yatin.
So 2 of 15 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 10 into 15.
Keep saying.
2 of this is 180 plus 120 plus 150, which is 2 of 450, which is 900 centimeters.
900 centimeters. Okay, mute your audio. Don't forget to draw the figure, children. Please don't forget to draw the figure. This is 15, this is 12, this is 10. For the surface areas and volumes, compulsory you should draw the figure. Children, figure indicates that if you draw figure, that indicates that you understood the sum. And statement in the unit is also very, very important. Next sum. Okay, children, we do 27 and find the volume of rectangular solid. Find the volume of rectangular solid, which is really gold. Find the volume of rectangular solid, measuring
Yes, sir.
100 into 50 into 25. What is the volume of cuboid and formula?
L into B into
LBH. Very good. Tell me substitution.
100 into 50 into 25.
So 25 is a
125.
CC.
Yes.
Okay, that's a CC. Okay, that is the answer. That's all. If someone asks you to convert CC to meter cube, what do you do?
By
100,
1000.
By 1000.
100, 300.
10 to the power of 6, sir.
So this gone. So 0.125 meter cube. If anyone asks you. Next, 12th one. Bhavika, are you there? Bhavika? You want to construct a wall whose wall measurements are 32 meter, 3 meter, 40 centimeter. This is wall. Okay, and bricks, Srija, bricks 25 centimeter,
Yes, sir.
15 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Nana, I want to construct this wall. How many of these bricks are needed?
Yes, sir.
Volume of wall is equal to,
Volume of wall is equal to N into volume of brick.
yeah, volume of wall is equal to,
So
N
we
is
have to
equal to,
convert 40 into meters, sir.
let's convert. 32 first,
32 into 3 into 40 by
100.
100
Why 40 by 100? Because centimeters to meters.
meters.
25,
25 by 100.
why centimeters to meters?
15 by 100.
8 by 100. Because these all are in centimeters, by 100, by 100, by 100. Yeah, no, no, tell. 8 5s are 40. 3 5s are 5 20. How much now? So 32 into
5
5
into 4 into 20.
So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 into 20 is 100. 12800 bricks are needed to construct this wall. Okay, Saisha is there?
Yes, sir.
There is a cylinder whose radius is R, height is H. If suppose radius is made half, okay, and height is doubled. Question is, find its volume. What is original volume? What is the original volume of silicon?
Pi r square h.
Now you can
Pi r by 2 whole square into 2h.
Okay, pi.
Cancel. R square h is equals to r square by 4 in 2h. R square.
Yeah, muted on
Vol-
here. So V2 is equal to V1 by 2. Volume becomes half. Children. Okay. So volume becomes half. So on the decreasing the radius to half and increasing the height, the volume becomes half. Next, 14th question. Varshini is there? Varshini, Srinija, 3 meter, 4 meter, 10 meter. Anvita, okay, this is room dimensions. Anvita, are you there? This is room dimensions. In this room, 5 men are sitting. Then find the amount of air for each man available. For each man, how much air is available? So what you will find out? Volume of room.
LVH 3 into 4 into 10, 120 meters.
Total volume of air is 120. But there are how many men? So 24 meter cube of air is available for each man. Okay, next. Tanmay, are you there? The area of 2 cylinders are in the ratio of 3:4.
Yes.
Area of 2 cylinders are in the ratio of 3:4, and heights are in the ratio of 4:3. What is the ratio of their volumes? This volumes. V1 by V2 is equal to
V1 by V2 equals to pi r1 square h1 by pi r2 square h2.
okay.
V1 pi cancel.
R1 square is 9.
V1 9 into 4 by 16 into 3.
So 4
3
4
3 is 9. 3 by 4, 3 is to 4.
Thank you. 3:4 is the volume of 2 cylinders. 3:4 is the volume of 2 cylinders. Okay, children. 3:4 is the volume of 2 cylinders. Next question. 16th question, children. 16th question. Next. Samhita, Vaishnavi, anyone are there? Find the lateral surface area of cone.
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, this is a cone. Vaishnavi, this is a cone of 3R, and slant height is L by 3. Slant height is L by 3. Okay, find the CSA of cone. CSA of cone formula.
Cone equals to pi RL. Sir.
Okay.
So pi into 3R into L by 3. pi r L, sir. So
Again pi r L only. 70 uterus 70. Find the TSA of cone whose radius is 2r and slant height is L by 2. Find the TSA of cone.
2 pi r.
TSA of cone is pi r L is slant height, pi r square is base.
Yes.
Pi r into L plus r. Can you tell how to do?
Pi into 2r plus L by 2 plus 2r.
Okay.
Pi into 2r, 2 pi r, LCM L plus 4r. 2 cancel, pi r L into
L plus 4. Next. 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 CSA of cylinder is 20. CSA of cylinder is 20. Okay. And radius is 0.7. Okay. Find the height. Find the height. Okay. Nihita, find the height. CSA of cylinder formula. 22 is equal to 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h. If you remove this point by 10, this is gone, this is gone. So 2 5s, 5 will go here. So height is equal to 5 meters. Next. Find the CSA of hemisphere of radius 7 centimeters. Shanmukh, radius is 7 centimeters. Okay, radius is 7 centimeters. Find the CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere formula children 2 pi r square 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So how much is the answer?
7.
154 into 2 is how much? 2 4 is 8. 308 centimeters square. Okay, next. Varsha, 20th question. Find the number of planks of dimensions can be kept in a big go down is there, whose measurements are 16 meter, 12 meter, 4 meter go down. In this, how many planks of 4 meter, 50 centimeter, and 20 centimeter can be kept? Varsha, in this go down, how many planks can be kept in this go down? Volume of big cuboid is equal to n into volume of small cuboid. This goes down. N is equal to volume of big cuboid by volume of small cuboid. What is the volume of big cuboid? 16 into 12 into 4.
12 into 4.
What is the volume of small cuboid? 4 into
50 by 100.
50 by 100. Why 50 by 100?
Centimeter to meter we should convert.
This is also 20 by 100. 20 by 100. So if you do 20 by 100, so now what you will get children? 50 2s are 2 2s are 2 6s are. Now what you get children? 2 6s are and 4 5s are 5 20s are. What is left over? 16 into 6 into 20. So 16 2s are 16 6 are 96. 96 into 20. 2 6 are 12. 2 is 98. 1920 bricks. 1920 bricks or sorry planks can be kept in this go down. 1920 planks can be kept in this go down. Okay, last 5 sums are there. Children, let's complete all the 5 sums so that you will complete 25 sums. Last 5 sums. Harsh is there. Okay. Srinija, Varshita, Varshini. Grishma, you tell. How many 3 cubes can be cut off? See how many cubes can be cut off from a big cuboid. Grishma, 18 into 12 into 9. From this cuboid, how many cubes can be cut off?
First volume of cuboid,
Volume of big cuboid is equal to n
into volume of cube.
Small cubes.
Yes.
Okay. Volume of big cuboid is equal to n into
Volume of small.
This is how much?
LBH equals to n into L cube. 18 into 12 into 9 equals to n into L cube.
L cube, 1 second. How 3 meter cubes? This is 3 meter cubes.
Okay.
3 meters means 3 cubes.
3 n equals to 18 into 12 into 9 by 3 into 3 into 3.
Okay.
3 6 are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are.
So 4 is 12, 12 6 are
36,
Seven.
72.
72 cubes
Two
can be
cubes.
cut off. From this, 72 cubes can be cut off.
Cut off.
Next, Grishmita is there. Grishmita,
Yes, sir.
the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint. There is a container. In this container, the paint is sufficient to paint 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions? How many bricks of dimensions? 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter can be painted. Volume of container is equal to n into what is, because we will paint the area, no?
TSA.
Yeah, we'll paint the area, no? So TSA of container is equal to
N into TSA of bricks.
TSA of bricks. TSA of container,
9.375 meters square.
okay.
Sir,
So,
but it will in volume.
yes, no, TSA, because
Okay,
this is
okay.
area they gave. The area, they gave area.
Okay.
So 2 into LB plus BH plus HF. 9.375 is equal to N into 2 into LB. 22.5 into 10.
225.
25.
10 into 7.5.
75.
222.5 into 7.5. Anyone? Oh my God.
168.75.
168.75. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. 168.75 centimeter square. This is meter square, children. So this and 2 and this you bring down, n is equal to 9.375 meter square by 168.75 into 2 centimeters square.
Sir, 168.75 is HL, sir. That's it.
Oh my God. Sorry.
So the final answer is 468.75.
168.75. Yeah, this plus this plus this is
468.75.
468.75. This into this is
937.5.
9
937.5.
937.5. But this is centimeter square. This is meter square.
By 10,000.
N is equal to 9.375 meter square by 937.5 centimeter square. Okay, children? Sure. Now, 9375 by, after point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. How to convert meter square to centimeter square?
Into 10,000.
100. Meters is 100, meters is 100. And 9375, after point 1 number is there, put here 10. After point 1 number is there, put here 10. 1000, 1000. This. How many bricks can be painted?
100, sir.
100 bricks.
100 bricks can be painted in this volume, in this area. Whatever container is there in that paint, using that paint, 100 bricks can be painted. Okay, a go down is 30 meters into 25 meters into 8 meters. Okay, in that, how many crates of 2 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.4 meter can be kept? So many sums we did today like this. How many crates can be kept? So volume of go down is equal to
N into volume of
crates. N is equal to volume of go down by volume of crates. Volume of go down 30 into
25 into 8 by 2 into
2
1.
into 1.25 into 0.4.
0.4. Okay, children. So I have to remove the points, children. I will show how to remove the points. Those who are very scared about decimals, I am showing children. 30 into 25 into 8 by 2 into 1.25. After 0.2 numbers are there, put 2 zeros. 0.4 after 0.1 number is there, put here. 1. 25 40s are 25 5s are 4 10s are 5 2s are 2 to cancel. So So n is equal to 30
1500.
into 25 into 8. So 25 into 8 is
6,000.
200 into 30. 6,000 crates can be kept in that godown. Okay, children. So simplifications you should do very, very carefully, children. You should not multiply all this. You should not multiply all this. Then you should not divide them. It is foolishness, children. Don't convert it to big. Make them into small pieces. Emulsification. Okay, a hemispherical ball is made up of steel. Children, hemispherical ball is made up of a steel of thickness 0.25. This is 0.25. Children. This is 0.25 centimeters. This is thickness. Okay, and the inner radius is 5 centimeters. The inner radius is 5 centimeters. Find the outer CSA. Outer CSA. Outer CSA of hemisphere. Anyone?
2 pi r square.
Outer CSA is 2 pi
Big
beta
R
square.
square.
2
into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25.
this 5, this 0.25. 5 plus 0.25? 5.25 into
5.25.
5.25. Can anyone help me out? 3.14 into 5.25 into 5.25. Whatever
Sir,
you get.
173.0925.
0925. God bless you, sir. 25th question, children. A bag of wheat is in the form of a cone. Last question, children. Of diameter 12 meters and height 4.5 meters. Height is 4.5 meters. Okay. Question is, the heap is to be covered with a canvas. The heap has to be covered with some canvas sheet. What is the area of canvas? Area of canvas means?
CSA.
CSA.
IRL.
Pi RL.
Very good. Pi r. But L is not given.
L is equal to under root of
L
r square plus
square,
h
h
L
square.
square is equal to r square plus
H
h
square.
square. L square is equal to
36.
6 square plus 4.5 square. L square is equal to 36 plus
20.25.
L square is equal to 56.25. L square is equal to 7.5 whole square. L is equal to 7.5 meters, sir. Yes, meters. Now, children, we will do pi RL because sheet is pi RL only. Sheet means no one will put here also no cover. So sheet means pi RL. CSA means pi RL. Pi RL can anyone have
22 by 7 into 6 into 7.5.
6 into 7.5.
3.14
3.14 into 6 into
141.3.
141.3 is a meter square. Thank you. So 141.3 meters square of canvas sheet is needed to cover the heap of this wheat. Like this, we have to do the question children. We have to draw the figures and we have to do the questions. You have to write the answer, you have to highlight them, and you have to put the units, and you have to write the statement also. 141.3 meters square of canvas is needed to cover the heap of wheat. So everything matters. Diagram also you should draw. Measurements also you should put there. This diagram you should draw with pencil only, not with pen. So like that, if you do, you show the clear calculation. And calculation for the children, try to make it small children. Don't make it very big, very long. Don't make it very long. And some people maybe get confused. Children, anyone of 45 square I did very fast, 20.25. 56.25 I did very fast. Anyone of this trick? 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25.
25.
After 4, who will come? 5.
5.
2025. Those who don't know this trick, again I am saying 55 into 55. 5 5s are 25. After 5, who will come? 6. 5 6 are 30. Those who didn't understand, again I am saying 65 into 65. 5 5s are 25.
25.
After 6, who will come?
42.25.
4225. Last 75 into 75. 5 5s are 25.
25.
7 8s are
56. 56.25.
That's why I could say very fast. 56.25 is 7.5. Like that, children. Small calculations. If you learn, children, from Vedic mathematics, it will be very useful, children, in exam. You can save time, and that extra time you can use it for tricky sums which you have to think of. So, like this, children, calculations you have to make it very easy, children. You should not make it complex, children. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you so much. Anyone have any doubts?